Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious crunchy granola cereal. So I've measured out 230 grams of honey. To the honey or maple syrup, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of olive oil. I'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and give that a good stir. I'll set that to one side for a minute and I'll weigh out my oats. So in this bowl I've measured out 240 grams of rolled oats. To the oats, I'm going to add 8 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. Now I'll add a big pinch of ground mixed spice. Next, in goes a big pinch of salt. I'll add 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then I make sure to give that a really good mix. Then I'll throw in 75 grams of chopped nuts. I'm using Brazil and cashew nuts. Next I'm adding 50 grams of desiccated coconut. Now I give the dry ingredients another good mix. Then I combine the honey mixture and the dry ingredients. Now I'll just even out the mixture onto my tin sheet lined with greaseproof paper. I've already preheated the oven to 150 Celsius. This will take 40 minutes to bake and I'll stir every 10 minutes so that it browns evenly. After baking, while it's still warm, I mix in a couple of big handfuls of dried fruit. I'm using sultanas. I've also got some of this tropical mixed dried fruit, so I'm going to add some of that as well while it's still warm. This has just got mangoes and coconut. So while it's still warm and can be moulded, I'm just going to clump some of them together to make nice little clusters of granola. For breakfast, I enjoy my granola with some blueberries and Greek yogurt. And when it's completely cold, just tip it into an airtight container. And there it is, crunchy granola, healthy, delicious and so simple to make. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.